Okay, I took the orange one that had the glitter on it, and I painted it with the, let's see, this one, the white chalk paint from Walmart. And I just stuck it up there to dry. It already had that little hole where the stem come out. So let me move this. See if I can get the stem out. Okay, now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna have to make the top bigger and just figure out a way to glue the stem in, I guess. Cause let's see, let me get my fabric. I'm just gonna put this kind of lacy fabric over it. And well, let me flip this around. I want my gathers at the top, because it seems like that'll give it more color. You know, it'll be sitting this way. It seems like it'll give it a little more color at the top. See how the bottom, and I guess if you wanted more color at the bottom, you could poke it in the bottom and top, and that way you'd have gathers on both ends. That would look pretty good, but I don't think I want to deal with that right now. So, let's see, we want to have plenty to come over. So what I'm going to do is just kind of gather it and whack the fabric right there. Let's see, okay. If I can with these scissors. This is just a, I think a little dress. Maybe it's a blouse, but I think it's a little dress. Okay, it's pretty fabric. And hopefully I got it the right size. We don't need the tag. And so I'll have to haul that out to have a place to poke all this, the ends of these fabrics. Did that make sense? It's late again. Let's see. 10:05. I should be getting ready to go to bed, but I'm not. Where's the fun in that, right? Oh, I'm making a good mess, ain't I? But I thought about using white fabric, and I tried one and the orange showed through a little bit, so I'm just like, yeah. Think that's good enough. Dig some out. Whoa. It's kind of, that paint's kind of rubbery, so you have to watch it. Have a cracked pumpkin. See my crack? Goodness. Get some of that out. Maybe I'm doing this right. I don't know. But that's the only way I figured to do it, to get all the color at the top. So I'll start poking it in. I think I'll do... I did each side. Now maybe I'll do each side over here. Kind of the opposite side. I need to do some cramming. Oh man, I ain't even got my glue gun on. And then these little extras that's left, poke them in there. I'm not going to spread them out or anything. I'm just going to poke them in there, and then I can just pick the prettiest side that I like to face the front. At least that's my plan. I have to finagle it a little bit to get it to where it's not leaving big lumps. Okay. We got a lot of yellow and something showing. I like the bluer side, but I like the blue with the pink. I'll probably have like this part showing the most. So I will cut on my glue gun and I'll be back. Alright, let's try this. And I'm just gonna squirt a bunch of glue in there and hope it holds all this fabric. I could have squirted some in there before, but I wasn't sure what I was doing. Is it coming out? Yeah. I'll do this and I'll be... Okay, I got some glue in there and now I'm just jabbing the scissors in there. The glue gun kept wanting to pull my fabric out. And see, that might not be deep enough for... I painted my little stem already. It might not be deep enough for that green. If it's not, I'll just cut it shorter. So hopefully, got enough glue. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit. Well, that was easier than I thought it was gonna be. Let's see, which did I say would probably be the front? Maybe there. So which way I want my stem? Maybe that way. Like that, maybe. And I'm wanting, I had these left from the gourd where I was cutting them at a point, and I may put them up here, kind of like little leaves. So I might need to do that first. Have them going a little bit under the edge of the stem. Let's see, I got a little tiny one right there. Okay. Got a good web built up. And I'm just gonna pump some glue in there. Oh, which way to have it? I don't know. I can't remember. We'll say I had it that way. But I don't think that's the way I had it. But I think this blue is going to look good with it. I'll set it up and show you how it looks. But before I do, I just thought of something. I had thought about, let me turn it upside down, putting this shiny fabric and then this fabric. Well, that would look pretty. So I may end up having to get another pumpkin. I don't know. But okay, now I'll go set it up. Okay, and I wanted to show some different ideas I've had for displaying them. You know, the possibilities are endless, but this is just a white plate I've got. That just don't really do it for me. I'll show you another way. Here's another way. A little fancy, and this just doesn't do it for me either. But it looks pretty good. I think I need more pumpkins and stuff like that. But I'll show you another way now. And of course, you can always just pile them on the table. And those feathers, I think they need shortened. What do you think? Or maybe the stem put in. I don't know. Give me your opinion on it. And here's another idea. This was my mom's old biscuit making bowl. She'd keep flour in it and her sifter and keep a towel thrown over it. And when she made biscuits, she'd make them in that bowl. She'd pour the milk right in it, in the flour, and just go from there. And I think that would look good if I had a bunch more. But I'm going to show you the bowl. I think it's so neat. And I don't know if her mom had it or it's not really even. It's got a lump right there. Pretty nice. But anyway, I want to show you that too. Now this way I like, except without the feathers. Maybe with some straw. And if the basket was white, I think it'd look better. I'll include a link to the video where I painted that wooden basket. And if I had a few more things in there, kind of pile them up and put some straw in it, I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. But anyway, just some ideas. And I hope you like them. And be sure to subscribe and see what other ideas I come up with. And hit the like button if you like the video. Bye, y'all.